Have you ever wondered what RAM stands for in your computer? Well, let's dive right into it. RAM stands for Random Access Memory. It's like the short-term memory of your computer. It temporarily stores the data that your computer is currently working on. Imagine you're a chef, and RAM is your kitchen counter. The more counter space you have, the more dishes you can prepare simultaneously. Similarly, the more RAM your computer has, the more data it can process at the same time, making it run faster and smoother. And just like how a chef doesn't need to remember every single ingredient of every dish he's ever cooked, your computer doesn't store this data forever. Once you're done with a task, or when you turn off your computer, the data stored in the RAM is cleared out. So in essence, RAM is your computer's workspace, the place where it keeps track of tasks it's actively processing. Did you know that there are different types of RAM? Dive into the world of computer memory, and you'll discover a fascinating variety of RAM, each designed to serve a specific purpose. Let's start with DRAM, or Dynamic Random Access Memory. As the most prevalent type of RAM found in computers, DRAM has the unique ability to store each bit of data in a separate capacitor within an integrated circuit. However, these capacitors leak charge over time, requiring the data to be refreshed periodically. This dynamic nature of DRAM is where it gets its name. Its main selling point? Cost-effectiveness. DRAM provides a large amount of memory for a relatively low price, making it the go-to choice for most computer systems. On the other side of the RAM spectrum, we have SRAM, or Static Random Access Memory. Unlike DRAM, SRAM doesn't need to be refreshed, as it stores data on several transistors using a flip-flop circuit. This static nature of SRAM allows it to operate at higher speeds, making it a faster alternative to DRAM. But with superior speed comes a higher price tag. SRAM is considerably more expensive than DRAM, which is why it's often used in smaller quantities, typically in the CPU cache, where speed is paramount. So there you have it, an introduction to the two main types of RAM. Whether it's DRAM or SRAM, each type of RAM has its unique set of benefits and is suited to different applications. But why is RAM so important, you may ask? Well, let's dive into the answer. RAM, short for Random Access Memory, plays a crucial role in enhancing your computer's performance. Think of it as your computer's short-term memory. The more RAM your machine has, the more information it can hold and process at once. Imagine you're juggling. Each ball represents an application. The more balls you have in the air, the more complex the juggling act becomes. Similarly, having more RAM allows your computer to juggle more applications simultaneously without dropping the ball, or in this case, slowing down. This becomes even more critical when you're performing tasks that require a lot of processing power. Whether you're editing the next blockbuster film or battling aliens in the latest video game, having a generous amount of RAM can greatly improve your user experience. So, the more RAM your computer has, the more efficiently it can process data and run multiple tasks at the same time. So, let's quickly recap what we've learned today. RAM, or Random Access Memory, is the short-term memory of your computer. There are different types of RAM, each with its unique characteristics and uses. The importance of RAM cannot be overstated, as it plays a pivotal role in how quickly and efficiently your computer processes data. Remember, RAM is a crucial part of your computer system that helps it process data quickly and efficiently. So the next time you're thinking about upgrading your computer, don't forget to consider your RAM.